Illinois business owners, if you've received a notice of proposed tax liability, you probably have questions. I'm Anton with Tax Law Offices. Let's talk about it. You should have two questions. First of all, what does this mean and what do I need to do? First of all, what does it mean? This notice of proposed tax liability is basically Illinois' written notice to you to say that you have been under audit and the audit is complete. And then this is the auditor's proposal of those changes. What do the changes mean? They mean that Illinois has made some determination of whether your company owes additional tax. It's not a bill, it's a notice of proposed liability, but it's also saying that if you disagree, then you've got some steps to take. If you agree to it, then you can just agree or you can do nothing, and that proposal will eventually become a bill with added interest and penalties. But if you disagree, well, then there's another step that you take, and we'll cover that on another video. But that step is going to be to file a petition with the informal conference board, and so then the next question would be, should I do this through an attorney or can I do this myself? Well, here's my perspective on it. If you feel that this is something that that you were not represented well on before, or maybe not represented at all, and that it's just a matter of being able to show evidence that the state hadn't seen, then yeah, maybe it is more appropriate for your accountant. But if there's some real legal questions on whether certain things should be taxable or should not be, or whether there's a question of why you may have underreported the tax, that's probably a legal issue that has real consequences that you don't want argued by someone who is not a tax attorney. It just makes sense. You've got a legal argument, especially if there's real consequences. Have an attorney do it. And that's the whole answer. All right. Thanks a lot. Anton with Tax Law Offices. See you next video.